Computer science is data, communication, and innovation. Welcome to South Hills Computer Science.
Hi, everyone. Rob Fitzgerald.
So, I've been teaching technology for over 20 years, mainly on the programming side. The student that takes these courses looks to take advantage of a lucrative industry. We are an Amazon Future Engineer School, and Amazon Web Services, AWS, the leader in cloud technologies, has stepped in and helped us institute this curriculum. They are offering teaching material, badges, certifications, and for seniors in this discipline, AWS is offering a $40,000 scholarship and guaranteed internship. I am now entering my third year as an AWS Educate Ambassador. This will also be my third year as an AP Reader, and we had a 90% pass rate on the AP Computer Science Principles test last year. Check out just some of the projects that students are enjoying in this pathway.